Hey everybody, I'm Kip.
I'm Jody.
And welcome to Kirchberg Mini Farms. Today, we're going to be building a chicken coop inside our barn. That's right, we're building a chicken coop inside our barn. So come along with us as we build this coop and see how it turns out.
Many cows moo 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 moo. Many cows moo 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 moo. Many cows moo 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 moo. Many cows moo.
Right here.
Why are you marking it the 4 foot? Do you know?
No.
So we can put the center board on the 4 foot mark. See, we have plans. We got plans. See, plans. What's that? So, to put these in, we're using some of these Spax. I think they're called Spax Power Lags. Got these big flat tops. Tie these down. It's pretty cool. Now, I thought it used a typical deck bit here, but it doesn't. It doesn't use a typical deck bit. It uses actually a T20 bit, so I had to go to the little bit box over here and get a different bit so these fit a little bit more snug. Because if I'd have kept using the other one, I'd have broke bits. Not good. So what we decided to do is pre-drill these boards. That's what Jody's doing here. Get them pre-drilled because we tried just using the bit without drilling it, and it killed my battery in about 4 screws. I don't know how charged it was, but it ate up that battery. So to save battery life, we figured, what the heck? Come here, pre-drill them, good to go. You helping, Ducky?
Yep.
He said he's a helper. Making sure you're doing it right. Gotta have supervision. Nail gun, eyeglasses, safety first. Alright, it looks like you missed it, but we thought about insulating the floor on this, and we looked up, and lo and behold, all that was up there. So we pulled it all down, seen we found some good pieces. So we got 4 good pieces, all the same thickness. We're going to go ahead and we laid them down, line them up where they're going to be. Now we're going to take our plywood and we're going to lay it over the top of this so at least our floor is insulated for our chicken coop. So our chickens will stay just a little bit warmer in the winter. So now we're going to go ahead and grab the plywood, walk it over, you'll see us do that, set that down, we'll screw it, and then we got our floor done. Well, not yet. We got a little secret for you on the floor on how we're going to keep it cleaner. Really cleaner. A lot cleaner. We're going to be able to put bedding down and do stuff for it. And this is a big secret on how to keep your floors cleaner in a chicken coop. So hold on just a minute. Now we're gonna let you all in. Mini, want some loving? Come here. Show the camera who you are. Show them. Show them. Sit. Now we're gonna work on the big secret. Jody's got it right back there. She's trying to dig it out. If she would just wait, that would help, but that's okay. We're gonna lay vinyl floor in the bottom of our chicken coop. You're probably thinking, why would you lay vinyl floor? Well, I'll tell you what. I've seen a couple people put vinyl floor in the bottom of their chicken coop, and it's way easier to clean, it's way easier to maintain. You know, when you pile it up with shavings or poo or whatever else is going in there, you can literally take a shop broom, sweep it out, and it's squeaky clean. And if you want, you can mop it. Get a little spick and span out and get it cleaned up. But now we're going to lay down some vinyl on the floor, so check it out. Well, y'all might have missed it, but we built the back wall just a minute ago. Slapped it up there, got it into place. This chicken coop is coming together real quick. Coming together real fast. Look at that. Look at that. Got that linoleum floor. Got that back wall. There's where our nesting boxes are going to be on each side. We're going to have 16 nesting boxes. It's going to be awesome. Got that back wall built. Got everything done back there. And Jody's going to work on getting a couple boards cut. That's what she's doing right now. She's cutting boards. She's getting boards cut so we can get this front wall built. And that front wall is where we're going to have a couple more windows and a door. So she's working on that right now. So look, Jody's working the table saw. Getting it done. She knows what she's doing. Look, she looks professional and everything. Using the square, drawing a line.
Safety goggles.
Got her goggles on, safety first. Now she's going to cut some boards. Let's see this. See how good she is. Look at that. Good job. Whoop whoop. Very guess I'll drive a couple screws in for that. But look at that. It's up. Got the front wall on, sidewall, got the back wall. Now we got to work on the roof. I don't think we're going to be able to build it in here. I thought we would be able to, but won't have enough room. It's going to be too steep. So we got this part done. You'll have to see a part 2 when we finish this up because it has been a long day. Again, we framed up the floor, we insulated it, put the linoleum down. That's going to be great. Got it framed up. Now we got to start thinking about how we're going to do the roof system or the trusses and get that done. So that's going to be it for this episode of Kirchberg Mini Farms and part 1 of our chicken coop. So catch us next time for part 2. Have a great day. See ya.